Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to get the EmoKit filter on Snapchat. So let's start. First, open the Snapchat app. When the app is open, you have to tap on the smiley icon on the bottom right hand side. And then start looking for the EmoKit filter. If you don't find the filter here, then tap on Explore on bottom right corner. Tap on the search bar and type in EmoKit and you will see the filter. And now just put it over a face. And then you can click a picture right away. When you are done, you can share it to your story too. Tap on Send to on bottom right corner and then tap on My Story. And that is how you can get the EmoKit filter on Snapchat. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And I'll see you in the next tutorial.